Hi guys and welcome to my new video. In this video I'm going to give you information about the opium bird. Please stay with me until the end of the video, and if you enjoy it, please like it and subscribe to my channel for more videos from me. What's the opium bird? But what is the true story of this strange bird? Members of Instagram and TikTok named this bird opium. Someone at 2020 September uploaded this video and said that he saw this strange bird in South Pole, and he captioned, "This video made with AI systems." And this video get very viral at the internet. But some days after, he uploaded a new video about opium, but this time near the opium was a woman. And he captioned, "This time scientists get the first connect." And he uploaded very videos about them and get a lot of followers. First, people says this is a nun with a white dress and she became a devil. And second, somebody commented that is meme for 2027, and people don't get it because this is for the future, and after that this became viral, so this is the true story of the opium bird. Well, that was this video. Thank you for staying with me until the end of the video, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any suggestions, please let me know in the comments, and if you liked the video, please like it and subscribe to my channel for more videos from me. See you in the next video, and bye for now.